In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Hostinger's Website Builder. If you've just started building your website or are considering giving it a fresh look, you know how crucial a theme can be. This process allows you to make your whole site more engaging and aligned with your brand's personality. So, let's explore this easy yet powerful feature together. First, after logging into your Hostinger account and navigating to your Website Builder dashboard, you'll want to find the Website Styles option. This is your gateway to customizing your site's aesthetic appeal. Taking a moment here is worth it, as the choice you make will define not just the look, but the feel of your website. It's not just about picking something that looks nice, but something that echoes the message you want your visitors to understand at just a glance. Once you've opened the Website Styles menu, you'll see options to change colors, fonts, buttons, and even animations. It's like having an artist's palette where thoughtful choices can truly bring your vision to life. Diving into the colors first, think about your brand's mood. Are you aiming for a vibrant, bold atmosphere, or something more muted and professional? Don't shy away from experimenting. You can always undo changes or try different combinations. Next up are fonts. Fonts speak volumes and can transform text into something that pleases the eye and captures attention. Consider what tone best fits your content, whether formal, playful, or elegant. It's good practice to ensure readability so your message isn't just seen, but truly understood. Then, we come to buttons. Buttons are not only crucial for navigation, they also call your audience to action. Whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or proceeding to another page, the design and placement of your buttons matter. Aim for consistency with color, typeface, and shape to tie together all visual elements. Lastly, let's not forget animations. Subtle animations can add a layer of interactivity and engagement, but be cautious. Overdoing it might slow down your website or distract from key messages. Aim for balance, just enough to grab attention without overwhelming. Exploring each of these features can feel empowering. You're not just changing how a page looks, but crafting a unique expression of your brand's identity. Alongside being visually appealing, remember that accessibility for all users should remain a priority. Check contrasts and make sure the text remains legible and your site is user-friendly. And there you have it. With these steps, you can confidently change and customize your Hostinger website theme to better suit your needs and stand out in the digital landscape. Remember, patience and creativity are your best tools. Keep experimenting until you refine your website's look into something that's not only functional, but truly yours.